Say, man, what are you driving?
32 Plymouth.
32 Plymouth. What you got? What kind of drivetrain you got in it?
69 Camaro Z28.
Wow. Yeah.
302.
Yeah. Awesome. Cool.
Very, very rare drivetrain.
Yeah, it sounds like it, and that's a pretty cool car. Thanks for bringing it. What's your name?
I'm Stanley.
That's Stanley's cool car. Thank you, Stanley.
Thank you for saying that.
Yes, sir. I like that. Stanley's got a cool car. Club. What's there? That's a pretty Pontiac. Yes, that is. Beautiful car, ma'am.
Thank you. I take no credit for it.
Well, you rode up in a beautiful car. Let me put it that way then. What year is it? Do you know?
58.
A 1958 Bel Air. Just beautiful. Wow.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for all the hard work it takes to keep these things running.
Especially in the front.
Okay, I'm down here at the Deland Cruise-In with the Deland Area Cruisers, and you are?
Oh, Mopar Judy.
Mopar Judy, cool. What are you doing?
I sell white diamond detail parts.
Do you? Yeah.
I'm one of the sponsors here.
You're a sponsor. Okay, we'll come over and see you here in just a bit. But you were giving away flyers. What are the flyers for?
This is for, it's called a barbecue blast. It's a fundraiser for these really cool,
cool chairs.
Tracker wheelchairs.
Right.
That are going to be used at 80 state parks, and we're raising money to buy more. that impaired people, handicapped people, people who can't walk the park can get these. So they're going to be free to use.
And they get out and see natures like you and I, who have all our facilities. Yeah.
And so we have this event on Saturday, June 3rd, and it will be at the Cascia Community Center.
Okay.
Which is just 9 miles east of or west of the bridge.
Right.
On 44, and we're going to have country western band from 11 to 4. There's going to be vendors there. Natural resources is going to be set up there. We're going to have the lady with the hawks and everything else.
Okay, cool.
Bunch of vendors, good music, and there's no fee for spectators or for the cars for show cars. So bring your show cars down there too.
Cool.
And no fee for any of that. And they're going to make their money off of selling food.
I'm there. I'm hungry all the time. Thank you, Judy. Appreciate it. Awesome. Cool.
Just a couple moments. We acknowledge all of our fantastic sponsors that help us put the event together. The Wicked Picket first.